Cardano, ADA, is going to replace Ethereum and make you rich. Are you thinking of investing in Cardano? So here is a piece of big news for you that Cardano, ADA, is going to replace Ethereum. And if you are wondering whether to invest in ADA these days or not, then you are in the right place. Many realistic price predictions are indicating that, but how it will be possible, Cardano, ADA is going to replace Ethereum and make you rich. Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome to CryptoStar, a channel where we will give you information and news about cryptocurrencies. If you want to be kept, then subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. In this video, we will tell you about the factors that will. Cardano, ADA, is going to replace Ethereum, and how ADA is a more unique and trustworthy platform, and is better than other cryptocurrencies. So, let's start the video. But wait, do you people know what is ADA? Basically, Cardano is likely to be a challenger to Ethereum. It is not only used as a currency, but as a blockchain as well, the tech on which it runs. It can also be used to build smart contracts, protocols, and decentralized applications. Plus, it is said to be significantly more scalable than Ethereum. The Cardano platform began its development in 2015, before being finished and releasing to the public in 2017. It was set up by Charles Hoskinson, who was a co-founder of Ethereum. ADA is the native token of the Cardano platform, which has been inspired by academic research. Every transaction is permanently and transparently recorded on the platform's blockchain. The Cardano Foundation acts as the custodian that promotes and standardizes the platform. Altcoin Cardano, CCC ADA USD, has become an investor favorite in recent months. Year to date, ADA has returned over 570%, and its price currently hovers around $1.50. By comparison, Bitcoin, CCC BTC USD, and Ethereum, CCC ETH USD, has returned more than 98% and 144% respectively. Today, there are thousands of altcoins one can buy. With a market capitalization of about $39 billion, Cardano, a blockchain platform, is now among the top 10 cryptos. Now investors are wondering if the current enthusiasm could push ADA even higher. In the coming weeks, the current hype around Cardano might be replaced by profit-taking and increased choppiness. The only top 10 currency rising Thursday, Cardano's 88 token, hit its latest high of $1.96 around noon EDT, catapulting its market capitalization to roughly $61.5 billion. Meanwhile, the broader crypto market was plunging 9% over the past 24 hours after Musk's Wednesday tweet announcing Tesla's Bitcoin pivot and blasting its environmental cost, a single development that wiped out more than $300 billion in crypto market value in just hours. In a Thursday morning email, Investing.com's senior analyst Jesse Cohen noted that Musk said he would look for Bitcoin alternatives that consume less than 1% of its energy per transaction, and pointed to Cardano's ADA and Ripple's XRP as two cryptocurrencies with more sustainable environmental costs than Bitcoin, due to their less intensive mining and transaction networks. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, also an Ethereum co-founder, responded to Musk Thursday, tweeting, "Are we finally having the Cardano conversation? Come to my farm. Got sweet tea and mini donkeys." Thanks to a more energy-efficient mechanism to verify transactions, Hoskinson has claimed Cardano uses just 6 gigawatt-hours of energy annually, not even 0.01% of the 115.85 terawatt-hours Bitcoin is estimated to use. Though it's up nearly 1,000% this year alone, Cardano is highly susceptible to the broader crypto market's massive volatility. Its token crashed nearly 90% within less than 2 months in early 2018, as regulatory crypto crackdowns ushered in a years-long bear market for the nascent industry. ADA has become available on Coinbase, the cryptocurrency exchange platform that is expected to go public in 2021. Previously, many individuals traded it on the Binance platform. Now the supply of ADA is open to a much larger audience, meaning more demand. The altcoin leaders of 2020 will not necessarily be the top names of 2021. Cardano remains a strong competitor to become one of the best altcoins for the rest of this year. Due to its large market cap, it is currently a very popular currency among many in the crypto space. Many in the market are now expecting ADA to go well over $2 in the coming months. Interested investors should keep an eye on Cardano to buy the dips. As a new technology, blockchain, and as a new asset class, altcoins, will offer many more opportunities for long-term investors. So from all of the points we discussed, it is clear that Cardano, ADA, is going to replace Ethereum in no time and make you rich. So guys, this is all from our side, so don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe and stay tuned for more about cryptocurrency. And don't forget to step into the Cardano and give it a try, because Cardano has led to the creation of new products and services that can improve different areas of our lives, and will make you rich in no time.